Kekong Ampareen do kalau ong balada kan leikum ke MP kan kren ye ki bobon ki kam badang sa teng jong gejela kan ye Shimbynta ha Jingïatai nia bat kan long kum ke jingkieng na benta ki pai ba ka jela bat kum juru bakan Shimbon ki ki ba ki pai ba ki lang not.
Going as a parliamentarian necessitates our participation in all debates brought before the House. Over and above my platform as a parliamentarian, I hope that I will be able to create bridges for the people of the state of Meghalaya to all Government of India offices. I will liaison, I will raise issues which are left pending in the state, and we believe that in our efforts to serve the people, we shall be able to put one after the other these pending issues. It is going to be a big challenge for me personally, but after having won 5 elections in my constituency, sat in the House at the Legislative Assembly, both in the Treasury bench as well as in the opposition, I believe that I have gained and garnered adequate experience which is unavailable in textbooks. First hand, I am aware of all these issues. How much will I be able to achieve? I do not know. But I know that having the backup of the Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Deputy Chief Ministers, both of them, Council of Cabinet Members, and the MDA, both our own NPP members as well as coalition members, I am sure that together this team will be strong. They will help me. This is something which MP in the past did not have. I have that as the advantage, and it clearly poises me in a very, very comfortable position. People of the state of one Shillong parliamentary seat are well conversant with the politics of parliamentary politics by now. And I feel I am blessed to be the chosen one to represent my party, woo the voters, not just with words, but I must supplement that with action. And my husband and I, my family, are mentally prepared for this. We go forward with one voice. Let the voice of a woman be heard. And this is going to be something very important for this elections.